Here's how to import a route into Zora. Routes can come from any GPX or KML file, exported from Navionics, OpenCPN, Google Earth, or even a recorded track from a previous trip. Open the Tools panel from the menu button on the right, select the Nav tab, and open the Routes list. Tap the More menu and choose Import Routes. Zora walks you through 3 steps. The first is validation. It reads the file and shows you what's inside: total waypoints, distance, file size, and how many points passed validation. Tap Continue. Step 2 is the filter. Recorded GPS tracks often contain thousands of raw points, far more than you need. Zora simplifies the track down to the essential waypoints that preserve its shape. Pick a quick preset. Conservative keeps more points and stays closest to the original. Balanced is the right choice for most routes. Aggressive removes more. Maximum reduces to the bare minimum. In this example, a track with 45,000 points is reduced to just a handful. The route shape is preserved, but it's now manageable. If you need finer control, expand advanced settings to tune the parameters manually. Tap Continue. Step 3. Name the route. Set the departure and destination. The description is pre-filled from the source file. Organize it into a folder, add tags, and set a country if you sail across borders. Tap Import Route. Your imported route appears on the chart and in your routes list, ready to navigate. That's it.